Turn an old Walkman into a media center. In this section, we will go through how to install OSMC, the successor of RasBMC, on your Raspberry Pi to make a media center inside the 1990s Walkman that can serve as an all-in-one place for your music and movies. Parts needed. In this video, we will go through the parts and tools needed in order to complete this project. First is our Walkman. It's a Sanyo made in 1990s. This will house our Pi and the rest of the parts, making the perfect place for our media center. The board of choice for this project is Pi 3 Model B+. The latest Pi 3 is a quad-core 64-bit Broadcom chip paired with 1GB of LPDDR2 SD RAM, which is running at a clock speed of 1.4 GHz, an increase of around 17% over the previous generation, making it perfect for our case, giving us smoother experience and video rendering. To store our movies, we will need a 2.5-inch hard drive or SSD. This will fit perfectly in our case and giving us the possibility to store our media files locally on our Pi. To be able to connect the hard drive with our Pi, we will need this SATA to USB 3 adapter. This will allow us to connect and power the hard drive with one single cable. An SD card for our OS. The size of it doesn't matter too much here, as long as it is a reliable one. A 40mm fan. The Pi 3B Plus can get toasty, so it's great to have one in our case. We will definitely need some wire. 26 or 24 gauge ones are fine. Some resin core solder. A couple of different sizes pieces of heat shrink. Some of the tools that we will need will be a rotary tool with a file head. Also, we will use a cutting disc for it as well. Our soldering iron, a hot glue gun, a small screwdriver, and finally some clamps.